Unity, unity, unity. We are Unity Borborbor Group. We are located at East Legon, Adringano, under the Teishi traditional area, and our leadership is guided by Asafwache Odai Chichwe Ikwaba. Our community is known for fishing and trading. We are proud descendants of our ancestors who are known for their bravery, their love, peace, and unity. We honor individuals such as the Asafwache, Ikwaba, Margaret Aite, and many more. For the impact of on our culture and community, Unity Borborbor Group was founded in 2015 by a group of indigenous people led by Mr. Richard Delali Amejing. We have dedicated 10 years of preserving Bobobo, warrior dance therapy. Here is a short story about the origination of Bobobo. Bobobo is a traditional Ewe dance that originated in Kwando in the Volta region of Ghana in the 1950s. It is a vibrant social dance performed at various celebrations, including festivals and funerals, by the people from some parts of the Volta region of Ghana and some parts of the Togoland as well. The dance is characterized by its energetic movement, particularly by its vigorous waist twisting of the women, and it's often performed in a circular formation with drumming and singing. Thank you. Through hard work and togetherness, funds raised from our performance usually helps support members through businesses, and most of our youth have been trained for skills.
Ago, ago. Kana duko kata medo ago nami. Ebe duko bete medo ago nami. Mile unity. Bobo vio be gbese. Ti chagbole be okonu ya gbe yi ade. Ata tete meji mi jo mi edumi ba te bo a. Ma ngo be de konu blo. Ami le ji de ka eve eton. Efu gbero le mi ansi. Mi fona. Edo bon kone bobobo. Edo bon kone aki. Aki ya mi dun ku mi nyebe. Enye mi atogbo be nde. Eke mi dun ku jegbe. Enye data ono obe avawa. Obe kanle de fia. Enye aki. Ami gbolo legbe me. Te bobo chenye na debe no le dole baji kra no sia. Oh, no vi. Wo le chogbe ade ya jiga. No ma ton chokra wa no o dole baji wa jiga la. Unity viola go dona mi legbe ben keji. Ghana du ko gatembe ago. Mi le mia no vi. Alo mia unity to be gbese legbe ben kekelaji. Ata va mi agba mi vote na mi. Nu ya wa mi la. Ele mi agana to gba mi vote na mi. Kecho. Eji mi po ji ngoi pliji dudu. Akpe na mi.
For Unity Borborbor Group to win the contest in 2025 Borborbor Carnival, kindly vote by dialing the short code star 920 star 922 hash, and we are the ninth on the list on all network. Vote as much as you can for Unity Borborbor Group because your vote means a lot to us. Your support and dedication would help Unity Borborbor to win the contest and bring back home the victory. We love you all. Thank you very much. Akpenami. Unity, unity, unity. Together we stand.
Shout out to one of our biggest sponsors, Hatifang Group of Companies. Salute you. Hatifang Group of Companies deals in construction, fumigation, and many more. You can contact Hatifang Group of Companies on 055 67 61070, and they are located on East Legon ARS Runabout Road. Shout out to 1115 Restaurant. For your delicious and sumptuous meals, you can contact 1115 on 0244 498880, and you can locate them at Lakeside Committee 1 Business Center.